make a shelf. Alright, so you need your paper that says shelf, scissors, ruler, pen, tape. So this page that has shelves actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shelves on it. Right? So we're just going to cut out one. And just for fun, I'm going to cut out this one in the middle here. Again, rule of thumb, anytime you see a solid line, you're going to be cutting. Anytime you see a dotted line, you're going to be folding. So I'm going to cut out this one right here. So I take my scissors and I go ahead, cut there, and again, the more time you spend cutting, the more you take your time, the better this will be. Now you're going to see like there's these little kind of grayed out spots right there. You can go ahead and cut those off. Right, so I'm going to cut there. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut there. Right, and I have my shelf. Okay, so again, take my ruler, take my pen. There are 2 dotted lines, so I'm going to go ahead and score those. Take my ruler over here, line it up, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with the pen. Over here, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with the pen. Then I go ahead, I'm going to fold along these 2 lines. One fold, go back and forth, really nice fold. You can even use the size of your scissors as you want. Fold here, fold here. So now I have 2 nice folds. Now again, you're going to see these 2 solid lines here, just like with the diagonal supports. So I'm going to go ahead and cut just on the solid lines, just to where the solid line stops. So 1 and 2. And then I'm going to see a dotted line here. I'm going to go ahead and fold there. Nice straight fold. Go over it with my nail sometimes. Alright, and then what we have here is our shelf. Now shelves are another support system. So I'm going to get my column here. And let's say I had a part, a funnel, a loop, a something that just needed a little extra support. Didn't need a whole beam, I just needed a little shelf under it so it could rest on. These are really great for that. So again, you attach it just by putting it on here. I'd put a piece of tape here, a piece of tape back here, and a piece of tape on this flap right here. And you got a shelf. And that's how you make a shelf.